Hello, friends. We've determined what kind of text we should send to manufacturers in the previous lesson. First of all, we should introduce ourselves to the manufacturer, and then give some information about the product what we want. Here on the screen, we are introducing our product and send a link which is similar to our product to the manufacturer. Then, we read comments of our opponents. We have found how to improve our product in the opponent's comment. We were going to tell the manufacturer that this product should be more qualified and shouldn't lose air. We are writing this below the link that is for a similar product in our template, and we are asking some questions about the sample, packing etc. to the manufacturer. Then, we are asking questions about the fee of the product. Finally, we are asking the manufacturer cost, how many days the production process can take. We inform the manufacturer that we will decide whether to continue or not according to the answers, and we are sending the text to the manufacturer. I have already explained how to find manufacturers. We are marking the verified suppliers and the trade assurance buttons. By this way, the number of suppliers is decreasing from 1,500 to 425. Then, according to the properties, we continue to decrease the number. After we enter the manufacturer profile, on the side we are choosing manufacturers who have the same or similar products with ours in their main product section. For example, this supplier is a good one, producing our needed product and focusing on them. It is a company that has already been verified in qualifications evaluated by Bureau Veritas. We are having a look at the main product category and choosing the manufacturers which have the same similar products. We have 425 manufacturer suppliers. So what now? For example, we'll choose 100 of them according to our criteria. And we will send the text that we prepared all of them. Then manufacturer suppliers will start to reply us for our mail. According to the response rate, they will give you a reply. For example, this company who has 92% will have replied to you back in a day. We don't prefer to send messages to manufacturers who have less response rate. However, to try this topic, I will send this message to manufacturers that I determined about 100 to 150, and we'll see altogether that the response rate, what kind of questions they will ask, how they will respond to your message, and something like these. Alright. Let's say you find 100 to 200 suppliers. How could you send this message to all of them at the same time? Normally we are doing that one by one, like this. There is a contact supplier section on the page. We are clicking there, then the system is directing you to contact manufacturer via Alibaba. It is necessary to make copy-paste in here our template text that I prepared before. However, if we do copy-paste for each, this process takes too much time for us. Therefore, I will show you something here on the screen. Firstly, we'll add them all to our favorite list. Let's say we have added 100 manufacturers to the list. Then, in favorites section, we can send bulk message. I advise you to do the same thing. Because it will take too much time to send messages for 100 manufacturers one by one. You should send a message to a lot of suppliers to find the best price, the most qualified one. Therefore, you should use this adding favorite method. And it is useful to use it. I will show how to make it. For example, we like this supplier. Its properties have matched with our criteria. Therefore, I am adding this one to my favorite list by clicking on to favorite section. We add it in our favorite list. We are going to down on the page. We didn't like this supplier's the main products. Let's continue. There was our needed product in this supplier's main products list. So we could choose this one too, however, its response rate is just 61%. I wouldn't choose this normally, but for testing, let's choose this one too. We are choosing manufacturers in the direction of our criteria. I am choosing 5 to 10 of them randomly to send bulk messages to show you. However, you must choose them according to the criteria that I showed you. Alright, I have chosen 6 or 7 of them. How we can send them a bulk message? I will show you how. We are clicking the favorite section where is on the top right. All the manufacturers I have chosen in the list are visible here. Now, if you want, you can contact one by one with clicking the contact supplier section on the right. However, we want to contact all of them at the same time. So we are clicking the little box on the left, and then clicking the contact suppliers section means that contact all of them. All the manufacturers are on the list, and we'll send messages to all of them. In the message section, we will make copy-paste our template message that we worked on. Below the message section, there is a box, and it is required enter a password. JXWJ, we have entered the password. When we click the Send Inquiry Now section, your message will have gone to all of them. I am sending the message. Our message has been sent to the 7 to 8 manufacturers that we had determined. You can send a bulk message to all the manufacturers that match your criteria in your list at the same time. We have learned how to send a bulk message. And now, we have to wait for answers from the manufacturers. According to their message, we'll continue by taking evaluations and fees of products. How to send a bulk message. You have seen this video. See you in the next video.